Hey, we're at the park. Time to play. Wow, look at all that litter. Oh, someone forgot to pick up all their trash.
Why don't you kids be good little helpers and pick up all the trash?
Okay, let's race. First one done gets an ice cream. Yay! We are cleaning up the park in our neighborhood, picking up the trash, making things look good.
Nice!
Charlie, must you eat bananas while you clean up? Well, I need to keep up my energy for all this hard work. Recycle all the plastics, fill up all the bins, rake up all the leaves so playtime can begin. Whee! Charlie! Let's play clean up in the park so we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I'm sure I'm gonna win. Watch me. The green bin is for plastics. The brown one's for food trash. Yellow's for bananas. Oh, you make me laugh. The yellow bin's for tins. And the blue one is for glass. That's a giant bin for such a little lass. Let's play clean up in the park so we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I like to clean. I like to eat. Look, I ate bananas. Would you like some peel?
Just drop it in my belly!
Cool, okay, done deal. I just drank a fizzy. Where do I put the can?
In the yellow bin, dear.
Oh, that's right, yes, ma'am. Why, thank you. Whoa! Let's play clean up in the park so we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I know I'm gonna win this race because I'm cleaning up everything in sight.
Not that, Lily!
The park is looking tidy now with all the trash and bins. And you can see the green and how playtime can begin. We are all so very proud. We worked real hard today. So we'll have an ice cream and play the day away.
Let's play clean up in the park
So we can play till after dark. First we'll tidy every space. It's a clean up in the park time race. I won! I won! Can I have some ice cream now?
Not yet, Lily.
But why not? Peekaboo!
Oh my! You scared me! Is someone playing hide and seek?
Yep, and I'm the best hiderer under the sea. Yeah? Well, you'll never find me.
Well, we shall have to see about that.
Ready, set, hide! Peekaboo! Well, I bet you'll never find me. I'm girly and I'm cute. I'll hide among the coral in my sharkskin boots. In your sharkskin boots. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I see you in your hiding place. Oh, Peekaboo! I see you. I'm a sharky on the chase. Oh, you found me! That's because I'm the best sharky hunter under the sea. Hey, watch me hide. Well, I bet you'll never find me. I can win hands down, 'cause I'm the greatest hider in all of Ocean Town. In all of Ocean Town. I am. He is Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see you in your hiding place. Ha! Peekaboo. I see you. We're sharkies on the chase. Gotcha!
Peekaboo!
Hey, now where's Mama and Papa a shot.
Well, you know we're pretty clever. We'll never make a sound. I bet you'll never find us. You'll have to poke around.
We'll have to poke around. Poke, poke.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
I see you in your hiding place.
Peekaboo!
I see you where Sharky's on the chase. I think it's my turn. I better hide. They'll never find me. Peekaboo! I know you'll never find me. You're the baby, but I'm wise. Wait! I think I found him. You win the shark fart prize. Peekaboo! I see you in your hiding place. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I see you. That's my baby face. Hi, baby face. Peekaboo! We see you in your hiding place. Peekaboo! We see you. It's me, your baby face. We love you, baby face. Have you seen my tail? I can't find it.
Where did you last see it? I'm sure you'll find it.
Who stole my toy? Who stole my toy? I'm looking for my teddy bear. I've been looking everywhere, but it isn't there.
Did you look in Mom and Daddy's room? Or in the bathroom? Maybe it's under the sink. Really try to think.
No, it's not there.
You'll find it, honey, don't worry.
Who stole my toy? Who stole my toy? I'm looking for my teddy bear. I've been looking far and near, but it isn't here.
Did you look in the TV room? We were watching a movie last night. Under the couch or on the shelf. Is your teddy bear white?
No, it's brown.
Oh, well keep looking, honey. I know you'll find it.
Who stole my toy? Who stole my toy? I'm looking for my teddy bear. Did you take my bear? 'Cause that would not be fair. I didn't take your teddy bear. I have lots of my own. But you can check in my room if you really want to know. Oh, not
Hello, friends! Are you ready for a game of football?
Hold the ball in your hands, bounce, bounce, bounce. Kick the ball all around, kick, kick, kick. Yeah, roll the ball on the ground, roll, roll, roll. And shoot it through the goalpost, goal, goal, goal. That's football. Football, yeah, that's football. Football, yeah. Let's go to the soccer ground. We've got the biggest one in town, the biggest one in town. Change into our playing gear and shout our team's victory cheer. That's football. Football, yeah, that's football. Football, yeah. Hold the ball in your hands, bounce, bounce, bounce. Kick the ball all around, kick, kick, kick. Yeah, roll the ball on the ground, roll, roll, roll. And shoot it through the goalpost, goal, goal, goal. That's football. Football, yeah, that's football. Football, yeah. Let's learn how to swing and swerve. Tackle our opponents with a curve. Cross them off one by one. It doesn't matter if you're short or tall. That's football. Football, yeah, that's football. Football, yeah. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Kick, kick, kick. Hold the ball in your hands, bounce, bounce, bounce. Kick the ball all around, kick, kick, kick. Yeah, roll the ball on the ground, roll, roll, roll. And shoot it through the goalpost, goal, goal, goal. That's football. Football, yeah, that's football. Football, yeah.